Hey guys, today we'll cover the Tekka Center. So this is where we normally people come to buy fresh meat. Okay. So usually they have meat comes like almost twice a week. I think fresh meat comes from Australia and other places. And fish, I think fresh fish comes every day from Malaysia. We'll go inside and check. So outside there are a lot of Indian shops, and today it's a Deepavali. So a lot of celebrations and people are around. Okay. So we'll go inside and just have a quick look. Okay guys, so normally people come here as for the fresh meat and especially the biryani. So here a lot of shops are there for having fresh biryanis. Okay. Today is Deepavali, so a lot of rush is there today. You can see, right, a lot of biryani shops. You see, right, lot of Indian shops are there. So we are here to cover mainly the fish market. But there are a lot of food facility here. Okay. The fruit market is also there inside. So all this, right, you can see the food place. Later on I will also come and try to have some. So this is the fish market and the meat market. Normally people come here for fresh fish actually. They say daily we get a fresh fish from Malaysia. Some sister is also doing video recording. A lot of prawns and fish. From Malaysia they say every day it comes fresh. Most of the stock. I think meat comes on every Saturday. I am a bit late actually, but this fish market gets wind up by 1 p.m. max. So almost there. Everyone is closing. Okay. Everyone is about to close actually. Fishing. Here we eat a lot of crabs actually. So you can see there's a crabs also there. I don't get time for cooking usually, so I don't buy fish or meat. So I don't cook. Most of the time I have outside. See, lot of fish. Oh my god. This is crab, I guess. Crab. These are crabs. Sorry. The prawns, lot of prawns.
I know see the inside.
To buy some biryani, even I am feeling hungry now. Okay, so Zamzam biryani is there. Normally I will have tea also with my food. Without tea I cannot. I have addiction to having tea off with the food, along with the food. So here we have a lot of dosa, a lot of South Indian people, right? There is a craze for dosa here. Dosa and biryani is the life of Singapore for the Indian peoples. Well, later I will do the food review also. But for now I will just try to cover this. You see right the back side. So I will go somewhere and I will have the biryani. Then I will cover the outside part. Okay, outside part also. The outside tekka. There is since it is Diwali, there are lot of decorations are there. Okay, so I will try to cover some decoration. Like people are buying some sweets and other stuffs, right? I will cover it. I will pause the video. I will finish my biryani somewhere. Okay, and then I will go outside and try to show you the Diwali shopping that people are doing. Okay, thank you. This is the biryani I ordered. Normally the biryani will cost around $6 to $7 normally. I will finish the biryani and I will cover the recording for outside the tekka for Deepavali. So we are done with our biryani. So I stop the recording for eating, otherwise cannot concentrate, right? So there are some behind me where people normally are doing today Diwali shoppings. So we will just try to cover and try to buy some sweets for the friends actually. There's a decoration I have already covered during the night decoration for this Deepavali. Is there already in my another video. You can go and check. But we have some shop to buy some snacks and sweets. So we'll just see what options are there. So here you see, right? So all these cookies, right? I don't think so. This is Indian options. I think this is mainly for what Malay people prefer, the cookies. But if you can see, the firecrackers are there. Okay. So I think the firecrackers we cannot burn anywhere. There is some designated areas where they are allocated where we can burn the firecrackers. Actually, for during the COVID time, if you do the recording, right, the people are normally not very comfortable. So sometimes people do remove mask for coughing purpose, or if they are choke or something, right, for fresh air, like this uncle is smoking. So they, if you see, they see you like recording, right, they not feel comfortable. I want to buy some sweets. There is a next door some good shop for Indian sweets. I'll just buy some. Sorry, Angel. There is some internal market also. Maybe it's, this is also one Indian shop for some sweets, but there's a lot of queue, so we'll buy from somewhere else. Okay. Let's see, and I will try to cover inside. I'll try to go inside and cover. Excuse me. Oi.
Hello.
Thank you, Andy. Okay, so you see, right? The sweets are there. Most of the shops are closed today. I don't know. There's a lot of shops available here for shopping, but today I think it's already late, so a bit close. There's a snack shop also here, but don't prefer a lot of snacks. I want to buy some sweets, but here it is a lot of queue. I will prefer somewhere else. So this is the Tekka center which we covered now. This is a different place altogether. Tekka Palace, I don't know. Place, Tekka Place. The fish market which is there, which is called Tekka Center. This is some, I think, shopping mall or something. I don't know. We'll go to the sweet shop and buy some sweets. There's a Mustafa Center also nearby. We'll cover it. But there are a lot of eatery shops here. If you can see, right, there are a lot of shops are there for biryani house and a lot of places. Okay, so there is one sweet shop I saw. I don't know. I forgot where it is. Okay, brother. Assalamualaikum. Okay, walaikum assalam. Okay, yeah, here this one. So we have some snacks snacks and sweets. Yeah, there is no rush, so I will buy some sweets from here and I will wind up for the day. So I think let's see the rates over there. Some 100 grams for 480 something. Some snack shops are there. Let's see. Chips are there. Usually don't carry much cash. I'll pay everything with card only. But if I'm carrying, I will buy some snacks also. And all these things you don't get other places. Your local stores you don't get. Okay guys, thanks, bye. I'll wind up for the day.